Nnamdi Kanu don face court again. Judge give am till November 7 to defend or forget case. Dis na CenokMedia, the channel wey dey report the news and dey make am simple for everybody to understand. We dey thank una when you dey view us. Abeg subscribe if you never do so. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Like, comment and share the video. My people, make una hear this one well. The matter wey start yesterday for Federal High Court Abuja don continue again today. And as e be, the tension for courtroom don increase pass before because Nnamdi Kanu still hold im ground, say e no go defend any terrorism charge wey federal government file against am, since the law wey dem take base am don already repeal. Justice James Omotosho, wey dey preside over the case, still try give am another final chance, but Kanu tok say e no go move 1 inch until government obey the Supreme Court directive. Make we remind una small. For Tuesday, court bin order Kanu to open im defense on the terrorism charge, but instead of responding, e tell the judge say the case no dey valid because the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act wey dem use don already waka comot from law book. Today, Wednesday, the matter resume and Kanu still talk the same thing, say e no go defend under any deadlock. E repeat am with confidence for open court. Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act don repeal. I no fit defend under repealed law. I won't do that. The courtroom quiet small as e talk am. Everybody dey watch how the judge go respond this time around. Justice Omotosho not too vex, but he tell Kanu say make he try calm down, make he keep his gunpowder dry. He explain say this case no be for stubbornness, say they give Kanu another opportunity, not because of weakness, but in the interest of justice for both the defendant and the country. Still, Kanu not change im word. He tell the court say until federal government amend the charge as Supreme Court order, e no go talk defense matter. He even spend hours dey explain the legal side of the issue, saying the Supreme Court judgment make am clear that federal government must amend the charge first before any trial fit continue. To him, anything wey happen before that amendment na illegal play. Later for the hearing, Kanu talk say if he must defend, then he go need to consult with his 4 legal consultants, Nnaemeka Ejiofor, Aloy Ejimako, Maxwell Okpara, and Mandela Umegborogo. He mentioned their names one by one for courtroom. Justice Omotosho nod im head, say he understand, but advise am make he still work with lawyers wey dey familiar with criminal law procedure so that he no go miss any legal point. Meanwhile, prosecution lawyer Adegboyega Awomolo, SAN, not too happy. He begged the judge make he hold the earlier order where he talk say Kanu must defend or waive im right. But Omotosho bend small again, say as much as the court fit be strict, justice still require patience. So he give fresh directive. Kanu must open defense or make a position clear by November 7. That new deadline change everything, because if November 7 reach and Kanu still refuse, the court fit continue without am or interpret am as waiver of his defense right. Outside the courtroom, supporters of the IPOB leader gather again. Some dey sing solidarity songs, others dey wave Biafra flag softly as police guard the gate. Inside, the mood calm but heavy. Even journalists wey dey cover the case note say today's sitting carry more legal depth than yesterday own. E clear say both sides don dey test each other's strength. Federal government dey try make case move forward, while Kanu dey use technical legal point hold them down. My people, if we look this whole thing from another corner, you go see say Nnamdi Kanu don turn the courtroom into serious lesson on constitutional procedure, because the main wahala no even be whether he guilty or not, na whether the law wey dem take charge am still valid. Many lawyers wey follow the case talk say Kanu dey use technical knockout, the kind legal move wey no be plenty people sabi use with confidence. As e be so, e dey remind federal government say rule of law no be optional. You no fit just rush person to trial under law wey don already expire. Another angle wey people dey discuss now na how this thing fit affect other high-profile cases. Because if court later agree say you no fit try person under repealed law, Dat decision go set precedent, meaning any similar case for future fit collapse if government no update the charge properly. And you know say Nigeria get plenty old cases wey dem never refile correctly. So dis Kanu matter fit open new chapter for our criminal justice system entirely. Even politically, the story don dey make small ripple. Some observers dey talk say the longer dis case drag, the more e go test Tinubu administration credibility for handling sensitive regional issues. Because IPOB matter not just be legal fight, e carry emotional and political weight for Southeast people. And if the case drag without clear direction, some go begin see am as political punishment instead of proper trial. Dat perception alone fit heat up the polity again before 2026 elections begin enter jar. For human rights angle too, groups like Amnesty International don dey monitor the case. Dem dey always emphasize say government suppose follow due process and that every accused person, even for terrorism case, still get right to fair trial. So if the charge wey federal government file no get solid legal backing, any further detention or hearing fit spark international reaction. As e stand now, the ball dey court of the prosecution. If dem no amend dat charge before November 7, Kanu legal team fit use am push for total discharge again. And if they amend am, then the case go restart partly, meaning fresh arguments, fresh witnesses, and maybe new legal fireworks. If we reason this matter deeper, you go see say wetin dey play now not be just between Kanu and federal government, na between law and procedure. Because for every statement wey Kanu drop, e dey remind the system say rule of law na rule for everybody, even government. Plenty legal analysts don begin talk say the judge dey walk fine line. If e force Kanu to defend without valid amendment, Supreme Court fit later reverse everything again, and that one go waste both time and money. But if e delay too long, e go look like the court dey pamper Kanu. So Justice Omotosho dey try balance the two sides, make e not look like political trial and still maintain courtroom discipline. Meanwhile, human rights observers dey note say the way this case go end fit define how Nigerian judiciary dey handle cases with ethnic or political background. Because this one no be ordinary defendant, na movement symbol. So every ruling wey drop go carry long echo reach the street. Either way, next week go hot for Abuja courtroom, because this one no be just trial, na battle between procedure and power. And as always, CenokMedia go dey ground to decode am for una straight, without noise, without bias.